Cheap car insurance for teenagers. This video is designed to help you save money on your teenager car insurance. At the end of the video, we will reveal to you a little trick that has helped us save tons of money on our auto insurance over the years. The number one mistake made by car insurance seekers is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differ tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers, less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. But before that, here are some tips regarding teenagers' auto insurance that you may find useful. As a parent of a teenager, you face numerous challenges. One of the minor ones involves finding affordable teen car insurance. Because teens are considered higher-risk drivers by car insurance companies, they face higher rates to offset the risk. With that in mind, let's look at some viable ways to keep your auto insurance premiums in check with a teen driver. To stop your auto insurance premiums from skyrocketing when your teen starts driving, try a combination of the following money-saving tips. Common teen discounts include those available for drivers who have taken a driver's safety education course. A good report card. Insurers usually offer savings for teens that have gotten at least a B average. Also, low annual mileage. Add your teen to your policy. See if it's cheaper to add your teen to your policy, or to purchase a separate policy. In most cases, the first option is less expensive. This is especially true if your carrier permits you to assign your teen to the car that's least costly to insure. If you do so, make sure your teen primarily drives that vehicle. Choose a car wisely. If your teen will have his or her own car, be smart about the vehicle. Putting a teen behind the wheel of a flashy sports car can be really expensive and potentially unsafe. Instead, opt for a car model with a strong safety record and the latest safety equipment. This will help protect your teen driver and should help keep your auto insurance premiums affordable. Stress-safe driving. Be sure your child understands that driving recklessly endangers lives. And that breaking traffic rules or causing an accident could result in a suspended driver's license and even higher premiums. Make sure to be a good role model. If you expect your teen to drive safely, model the right behaviors behind the wheel. Set ground rules. Be explicit about what your child can and can't do when it comes to driving. If you don't want him driving after a certain time of night, make sure to say so and enforce the curfew. Set rules for cell phone use. Implement a zero-tolerance drug and alcohol policy. Educate your child on safe driving. Continually monitor your child's driving and teach them the right behaviors when you notice the wrong ones. Consider usage-based car insurance. Usage-based, or pay-as-you-go, insurance lets the driver plug a device into the vehicle that monitors the driver's habits. Good driving can save you money on your premiums. Additionally, this system allows you to monitor your teen's driving when you're not in the car. You can notice risky patterns and correct them before they lead to an accident. Increase your deductibles and adjust your coverage. Choosing higher auto deductibles carries some risk, as paying a deductible after an accident could outweigh any premium savings you might have accrued prior to that point. But it's something to consider, as it might get you a lower premium. Also consider which coverages your teen really needs. If he has an old, hand-me-down car, does he need comprehensive coverage? The monthly cost may not be worth it if the vehicle is low value. Now, as promised, here is a little trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service, toll-free, at 855-981-7528. This is a free by-phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around, and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,